Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In this video we are going to be unboxing, setting up and reviewing this LED light that I just got. This is what it looks like, and it came with this tripod stand. So if you are thinking of how to improve the quality of your video, then you should sit back and watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I want to let you know that I'm filming with natural light. As you can see, I turned off the lights in the sitting room, and that's just it. So let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna.
This is the panel, the color effect and the intensity displays there. This knob here is for increasing and reducing the intensity of the light. This other knob here is to change the color effect, while this port here is for the charger, a bit for the cord. And this is what the front looks like.
We'll go.
Here we've got the charger, or I don't know why I keep calling it charger, the cord. So this is the part you connect to electricity, while this other part is the one you connect to this port right here. It also came with a remote control here, and we have a pair of battery that it came with as well. Here I've got the tripod, so I'll go ahead and set it up.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create us.
So for the LED light to be able to fit into this place, you need to lose this nut that you see that is blocking here. So I'll go ahead and lose it. Then I'll put it here and tighten it, or let's say fasten it, whichever one. Then the function of this knob here is to set it to whatever position you want: up, down, left, right. No, can't go left and right, just up, down, front and back, just like that. So I'll go ahead and connect it to light. So once it's connected to electricity, this stuff here shows green. I don't know what's called, but I know it shows green color. So now, as you can see, it's off. Look at the panel, it's showing off. Then I'll go ahead and turn it on. Yes, you can turn it on there, you can turn it off there. So let's just go ahead and try it out with the remote control. So that's it. On, off.
So like I said, the panel is at the back. It's currently off. Let's turn it on. So it's on now. So this button here is to reduce the intensity of the light. Can you see that it has reduced? Then this is to increase the intensity. You can see that the number is increasing. This is to increase the intensity. This is to reduce the intensity. As you can see, it's reducing. Look at the panel. Let's reduce it. So you see, we've reduced it totally. Then to increase the intensity, you press this other one. You see that? Then this other button down here is to change, is it the effect? The light effect has yellow, white and yellow mixed together. So this is where you change it. These two buttons there is where you change it. So let's try it on my face and see how it goes. Okay guys, so this is it. I've shut the door. I've shut out the natural light now. So let's turn on the LED light. Okay, this is what it looks like. So let's increase the intensity of the light. Okay, and mind you, the light this is the highest, and the light is about 45 inches away from where I'm sitting, because it's too blinding. Like when I brought it close, I could not even see myself in the camera. So to reduce the intensity then let's change the temperature. Don't know if this one is okay. You can actually change it till you are okay. just change it to what you prefer anyway. So I'm looking for one white. Okay, I don't know, just be the judge. Let me know what you think about it in the comments section. I actually got this for 40,000 naira. I don't know if this is cheap or expensive, but I think it's doing the job perfectly than a ring light, because I was using 14 inches ring lights, but didn't give me what I wanted. So if there is no light, okay, this is a light dependent. There is no way you can use power bank. It's light dependent. But let's just say maybe it's raining or it's noisy outside, or you want to use artificial light, because the issue with natural light is that it cannot give you a stable effect. I don't know how to say it here, but you know, your video is going to have variations. Like it's going to be bright, dark, just going to be fluctuating. You understand? If you want something steady, something accurate, you should consider getting an artificial light. Let's know what you think about this LED light in the comment section. Alright fam, that will bring us to the end of the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and trust me, I would love to see you in my next one. Okay, this is the yellow one. One white. Oh, sorry. This one white. Okay. Wow. This looks better actually. This one white. This other one. This white mixed with yellow. I think I prefer this one. It gives me that natural color effect, you know.
3,000.